I'm Emily Furman Corey, CEO of Dayton Photonics, where we're bringing communication to the most challenging places on Earth. Dayton Photonics is leading the next era of communication technology. We have reached the limits of wired and radio frequency communication, and the world has begun shifting to fiber optics to meet the increasing needs for bandwidth and speed. But just like wired communication went wireless, at Dayton Photonics, we're making fiber optic technology fiberless. Current communication schema use different redundant modalities to provide continuity of service in both military and commercial networks. But new alternative technologies with high bandwidth, long range, and rapid deployment and EMI resistance are required for a truly resilient communication infrastructure. Even in civilian environments, redundant communication is a critical technology in natural disasters, emergency first response, and even during everyday broadband use. New tools are needed to bring broadband internet connectivity to remote locations and in rapid deployment scenarios, especially where networks need to cross railroads, highways, and bodies of water. Adding to this challenge, in March of this year, the FCC issued a fourfold increase in the minimum broadband speed threshold for the U.S. This means that for middle miles, the unsung heroes of internet connectivity, the workhorses that carry those large amounts of data over long distances, fiber optics is the only technology option to meet that requirement, but it's cost prohibitive. The solution to that challenge is B-Link. B-Link is an eye-safe, laser-based point-to-point communication system. We transmit the same optical signal as fiber, but without the fiber light pipe, so our transmitter and receiver can be placed anywhere without a need to be physically connected. We bring the best of high bandwidth and high speed of fiber optics together with the flexibility and easy installation of Wi-Fi or cellular networks. It's made possible by our patented beam steering technology, which allows our transmitters and receivers to maintain their connection even if they're moving. B-Link's optical data signals are not susceptible to electromagnetic interference and are inherently covert due to the narrow point-to-point signal for natural security and resiliency. B-Link has been developed to a TRL-6 through a SBIR Phase 2 and is being transitioned by Dayton Photonics for both commercial and defense use. B-Link is a low C-swap hardware solution that uses an identical signal to fiber optics and is compatible with all existing communication technologies, providing 11 gigabits per second bandwidth and low latency. We're about the size of a shoebox, and it's very easy to install and reliable because it's continually optimizing its signal. B-Link was originally developed under an SBIR with the AFRL Information Directorate by our partner company, Exciting Technology. Dayton Photonics has the exclusive license to this patented technology and was created to commercialize this dual-use product. Dayton Photonics is going to capture this telecom market through hardware sales of our B-Link system and through recurring revenue through our software to maintain and monitor our performance as well as upgrade packages. And we've just secured our initial $1 million seed investment through our angel investment partners. Our go-to-market strategy is currently focused on the commercial broadband market and fixed wireless internet service providers. In 2 years, we'll enter the military and first responder market with our deployable system. And finally, our ultimate goal is to integrate our comm solution into air and space vehicle systems. We've demonstrated our technology for AFRL as well as the Naval Info War Center. We're currently working with Broadband Ohio and several fixed wireless ISPs in Ohio and the Midwest to do initial pilot installations of B-Link this fall. Dayton Photonics is led by myself and Cullen Bradley, both graduates of the Electro-Optics program at the University of Dayton. Dayton Photonics continues to have deep relationships with the University of Dayton, and we're also part of the startup portfolio at the Entrepreneur Center in Dayton, Ohio. We're looking for opportunities to pilot our technology, so if you want to be on the leading edge of the age of the photon, reach out. Thank you.